Alright, YouTubers, I'm gonna try to do something a little creative to go with this. These are sweet potatoes. I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes in this bowl. Take most of the juice out. I don't want the juice. An idea pops in my head. I figure, what the heck? Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna smush these down. You don't need to see all of it, but I'm gonna smush them if I can keep them in the bowl. Alright, I also got a little ground cinnamon. I'm gonna put a little ground cinnamon in them. Probably too much. This is a crappy bowl. You're not making an X-Trip bowl. Take you down to that thrift store and leave you behind. Okay? Okay. Set those aside for now. Here we go. Now this is no stick aluminum foil, so I probably didn't need to do that, but I did it anyways. Here we got the sweet potatoes. I was going to do this in a frying pan, and then I figured, well, I'm using a grill anyways, so I'm going to try to make sweet potato cakes kind of things. I'm going to do them right on the grill. I should have the grill heated up, but the other stuff's not ready, so I'm just forming these up. I should be able to get 4 out of it. I'm going to see if I can get a little crispy to them. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, hands are cleaned up. Start the grill. Alright, so what we got here is turkey. Yeah, turkey. And I'm going to season that up too. Okay, a little bit of garlic powder. I'm not going to season these too much. Alright, now we're ready. Whoever's kicking chicken. Oop. Just a little bit. Okay, no sriracha. I'm not doing sriracha. I'm just going to mix this up. And I'm going to do something I've been laughed at in the past for, but again, every time I try to do uniform burgers, it comes out terrible. So I'm not using the stuffed press, but I'm going to try to level these out. And then I have these skewers I haven't used yet. And I'm going to look for half. It's half-ish. And half. Alright, so we're going to have 4 of them. And we'll take these out and get these started. Right, let's see how those are doing. Are they flippable? No, they are not flippable yet, dummy. Alright, let's see if we can flip these. Sorta. Turkey burgers. Two. 3. 4. Close-ish. So, have a little nutmeg. Put a little nutmeg on these. Just a hint. Put a little chicken on the, kicking chicken on the turkey. Okay, those are kind of browning up, and my burgers are looking terrible, but we'll see if we can. Let's see if we can save the burgers. All right, there we go. I'll do a little sriracha on these burgers. Broccoli with lemon juice. Those sweet potato pancakes look like they might have turned out. And the turkey burgers. Steam. Let's put a hat on them. Alright, first, broccoli. Good. I got a little bit of crisp that I was looking for the sweet potatoes. See, they stayed together. Oh, those are nice. Taste nutmeg and cinnamon. Nice. I like that. I'd do that again. And turkey burger. Alright, that's good too. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. Alright, here's one where I put the sweet potato cake thing right on the turkey burger. Hold on, let me taste it. That works fine. That's a good option. Have a great and wonderful day.